Hey everyone, thanks for tuning in. Today we're doing a full walk around of the Toughweld 12-foot by 42-inch all-welded Jon Boat. And we're going to start on the outside and then move our way in. Right away, as we pan along the port side here, you can see the clean lines and the solid construction. And right there, you have the Toughweld logo, a name that stands for durability. Now let's walk around to the stern. This boat has a 15-inch transom height. And we've put a temporary trolling motor on here just to show you how easily one fits. It's the perfect setup for fishing your favorite spots. Coming from the back and moving up the starboard side now, you can see your navigation light port right here. And of course, another look at that Toughweld logo. The build quality is immediately apparent from every angle. As we continue our look at the exterior, I want to end here at the front by pointing out the wide, square nose of this boat. This design adds incredible stability in the water and gives you a much larger, more usable front deck space. Now, let's take a quick look at the bottom. As you can see, this is a true flat bottom hull. This design is fantastic for providing stability and allows you to get into that shallow water where other boats can't go. All right, let's lift the camera up and take a look inside. And the first thing you'll notice is that this model is finished with marine grade carpet, which is great for comfort and grip. It also features the optional extended front deck, giving you a massive platform to fish from. Focusing on that front deck, you have a reinforced boat trolling motor mount. And what's incredibly convenient is that Toughweld has already pre-wired it with a plug right here. So it's ready for your motor right out of the box. Underneath that deck is a huge open storage area. It's perfect for stowing gear to keep your deck clear. And remember, these boats are customizable. Doors for this compartment are an available option if you want to close it off. Moving back, we have the carpeted center bench seat. It's solid, comfortable, and provides great structural support for the boat. This bench also doubles as a convenient storage compartment. Let me just lift the door here, and as you can see, there's plenty of room for life jackets, safety equipment, or tackle, and it shuts nice and securely. A small but very important detail are these two drains right here in the floor. They ensure that any water that gets into the boat drains out properly and doesn't pool on the carpeted deck. And here in the rear compartment, you have the designated location for your battery. You can also see that Toughweld has pre-wired everything from the front trolling motor plug all the way to the back, which is going to save you a ton of time and hassle on setup. So that's our walk around of the Toughweld 12-foot by 42-inch. There's a saying that quality is remembered long after the price is forgotten. And that is exactly what you get with this boat. You're getting an all-welded 0.080 gauge Jon Boat that's built to last. A welded Jon Boat is hard to beat for durability and peace of mind. Remember, these Toughweld boats can be customized to fit your exact needs, whether that's removing the center seat for an open floor plan or adding extended decks. Give us a call to design and customize your perfect boat, or check out the options linked in the description below. Thanks for watching. Don't leave just yet. Make sure you check out our new video, Grandpa's new Toughweld Jon Boat. It captures the true spirit of these boats. We had a blast, and we know you will too. Let us help you get out there, and we will see you on the water. Until next time, happy boating.